Welcome back, everyone. I hope you all have had a marvelous Monday so far. On the Great Falls Clinic ICANN, we have had increasing clouds throughout the day today, so we currently have overcast skies right now. And in Helena, same thing. On the Opportunity Bank of Montana weather camera, we have had increasing clouds throughout the day, so we currently have mostly cloudy to overcast skies. There is a cold front currently working its way through the western half of the state, and there has been some rain and sun associated with that cold front. Most of the precipitation during the day today has been in the western half of Montana, but a little bit of that rain and mountain snow has worked its way into north central Montana over the past couple of hours, especially along the High Line. This disturbance will continue to work its way through Montana as we go through the rest of tonight, and then another disturbance in Canada will work its way southward into Montana as we head into tomorrow, and that is going to produce the first snowfall for a lot of lower elevation locations within north central Montana. Now, as we go through this evening and the first half of tonight, there are going to be scattered rain and mountain snow showers around as that disturbance does work its way through our area. We are going to have mostly cloudy skies overnight tonight, and then for the second half of tonight, that's when that disturbance from Canada will begin to work its way southward into north central Montana. So we will developing precipitation during the second half of tonight. That precipitation will primarily be in the form of snow, although a little bit of rain is possible initially. Then for tomorrow, for a lot of us, especially in central and western portions of north central Montana, it's just going to be a snowy day tomorrow with light to moderate snow falling throughout the day. This also includes around the Helena area. It may start a little bit later around Helena, but it will be snowy tomorrow, especially during the afternoon and the evening. As we head into tomorrow night, it will continue to be snowing during the first half of the night, but the snow will gradually taper off as we head into the second half of the night. And then as we head into Wednesday, we are going to have decreasing clouds throughout the day with a couple lingering snow showers possible during the morning. Winter weather alerts are in effect for a lot of Montana. The pink is a winter storm warning, the purple is a winter weather advisory, and the reddish orange is a blizzard warning. And that blizzard warning is in effect for the entire Rocky Mountain front until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Below 5,000 feet, 2 to 5 inches of snow accumulation is expected. Above 5,000 feet, potentially up to or even over a foot of snow accumulation is possible. Wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour possible time. So we are going to be dealing with blowing and drifting snow, very low visibility, and just dangerous driving conditions along the Rocky Mountain front as we head into tonight. Then there's a winter storm warning in effect for the Sweetgrass Hills, and that's in effect until 11 p.m. on Tuesday for up to 9 inches of snow accumulation. There's also a winter storm warning in effect for the Little Rocky Mountains in southwestern Phillips County. Up to 7 inches of snow accumulation is possible. Then for the mountain ranges in central and north central Montana, including the Highwood Mountains, the Judith Mountains, the Little Belt Mountains, and the Snowy Mountains, 1 to 2 feet of snow accumulation is possible. For the Bears Paw Mountains, up to 2 feet of snow accumulation is also possible. And then in southern Blaine County, as well as in Fergus, Judith Basin, and Cascade counties, generally 1 to 4 inches of snow accumulation is expected, but up to 12 inches of snow accumulation is possible in northerly upslope regions, and that includes places like Lewistown and Stanford. There's also a winter weather advisory in effect for portions of central and western Montana through sometime tomorrow night. Generally 1 to 8 inches of snow accumulation is expected for locations that are under this winter weather advisory, which does include the Rocky Mountain front after the blizzard warning expires, as well as locations east of the Rocky Mountain front out to I-15 and the mountains in southwestern Montana. This is a closer look at the snow amounts that are possible throughout the entire state of Montana, and a closer look at the snow amounts possible here in north central Montana. Lowest snow amounts along the eastern half of the High Line, and high snow amounts will be in central Montana, especially in the northerly upslope regions. And this snow will create some difficult travel conditions. We're also going to be dealing with a lot of wind. Widespread gusty to strong winds are expected tonight and tomorrow, especially in central and western portions of north central Montana. Sustained wind speeds between 10 and 30 miles per hour. Widespread gusts over 40 miles per hour are possible, with some locations seeing wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. This wind will be coming out of the west-southwest tonight and then the west-northwest as we go through tomorrow. That wind will then diminish as we go through tomorrow night. Tonight, low temperatures are going to be in the low to mid-30s in most spots, so it will be a chilly night. And then for tomorrow, one of the coldest days that we've had since last spring. High temperatures only in the 30s and the lower 40s.